wheel.
Make sure it's flush first.
Really uneven, the wood-wise.
It's gonna be a little uneven.
No, it's really fucking uneven. Look how much metal's showing. There's like half an inch over here.
Oh well.
They cut right through the fucking bump.
Rusty steel. The hammer maybe a little bit.
Yeah. I get it from here if you want me.
Oh! Well, I don't know.
I just fucking broke that piece, and I was like leaning. I was laying on it as hard, pushing as hard as I fucking could.
Yeah, no, your feet were off the ground.
We're running out of drill parts.
Time to roll back the bullets.
It's gonna be an all-day project.
So much easier this is.
Looks good.
I'm gonna say, hey, this didn't work.